Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by securing a true 5G data source, either an Airtel 5G SIM in a 5G router or a separate 5G handset set as hotspot. Once done, confirm the 5G plan is active and the SIM is provisioned for unlimited data. Make sure the hotspot device has the latest firmware and the Airtel APN if required. You're not trying to convert the 4G radio. Instead, you will share the 5G connection over Wi-Fi, so prepare the hotspot hardware now and power it on. Now configure the 5G hotspot or router. Log into the device admin page, confirm the SIM is registered, and apply Airtel's APN if prompted. Once connected to a 5G signal, set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2/3 password. Choose the 5 GHz band for faster throughput if your 4G phone supports it. Make sure DHCP is on so your phone gets an IP automatically, and optionally restrict device count to preserve bandwidth. This setup gives your 4G phone access to the 5G network via Wi-Fi. Finally, connect your 4G phone to the hotspot's Wi-Fi and turn off the phone's cellular data to force Wi-Fi use. Once connected, run a speed test to confirm you're getting 5G level throughput. You should see lower latency and higher download speeds versus typical 4G. If performance is poor, reboot both devices, recheck hotspot APN and firmware, move closer to the 5G source, and make sure no heavy apps are consuming bandwidth. If everything fails, contact Airtel support for SIM provisioning help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.